Now do you know what I'm saying? No, not really. Okay. The thing, the big beast, whatever it is going to escape and attack us. How do you know that? Because I know it. Because on the news it said it. Don't you ever read the news? No. Well, read it. You have to. That's my desk. I know your desk. Now get off that. Because I want to... Okay, never mind. Oh, come on. It fell down. Ah. Little fingers are getting in the way. Wait, you mean the cat? Yes, the cat. The cat will attack. Okay, so all of us are playing. Woo! Bang, 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 bang. Oops, not you got things. And then what happens? Then die. That's what will happen. Are you sure? Now give me my desk back. But it said that it's only in a secret place. Like in the Everfree Forest. Yeah, well it escaped and it got in just a beast trap. Which was in what is it? Canter Creek. So you're saying that there's a beast trap by Canter Creek? Yes. And how do you know this? I've seen him do everything. I fly all over Equestria, you know that. I know. And the thing that I mostly do is a lot of times fly, but when I looked down and I saw him, he escaped. I just kept following him up in the sky, and then I saw him get into a trap by Canter Creek. And how do you know Canter Creek? I don't know. Because that's only for princesses to know. I am a princess. Right. But only princesses who came early, like Celestia and Luna. What? Does it look like I'm Celestia or Luna? No. Yeah, so I know Canterlot, Philadelphia, oh my goodness, Saddleravia. I go everywhere. I know everything. I know what everything is called. Seriously. I'm serious. Okay. Canter Creek is actually a real thing. There's a map of My Little Pony. If you just type in My Little Pony map, it shows you everything. Okay, so that's how I know everything. I can't find its face. Bell? What's a bell mean? Remember the little bell that goes ding ding ding. So, it's going to attack us. Oh my. This is very dangerous. Come on. Mato! Okay, every pony, this is serious. She's right. I stay right here. Okay, whatever. This is seriously serious. Okay, look. You can't just look in one spot. You have to look everywhere. Look here. Look in the living room, the office, everywhere, okay? So, she's serious and we have to beware. It might come soon. Really soon. Okay, you may be dismissed. But wait. Some people have to stay. I need to talk to them. So I need Trixie, of course. Wait. Okay. Sunset, Shimmer, Sweet. Fluttershy.
But they look like
I don't need those. Bubblegum. Dinky Dazzle. Sweetie Belle. And Lyra. All of you got... Wait a minute. I don't want you, Pinky Dazzle. I don't want you, little Sweetie Belle.